Welcome students. In this session we are going to see how to present the map. Many times we know the answer, this particular state, like that we know the answer, but we don't know where the state is. So in this session we are going to see the location of states. So before that, some basic things we should know. First one is the direction. There are four cardinal directions: news, north, east, west, south. Imagine this is a world map. So where is north? Your head portion is always north and your leg portion is always south. Eating hand east, watch hand west. This is universally, not for the lefty students. Okay. So eating hand east, east eat, याद रखिए, watch west, याद रखिए. So this is the directions. Now when we are going to study about a nation, we should know the location on the earth. So India is here. India latitude wise it is in the northern hemisphere, and longitude wise it is in the eastern hemisphere. That means India is located in the northeast hemisphere. Okay. Now this is India and this is the direction north, always marked with upward arrow north. And here we have the Tropic of Cancer, which is an important latitude passing through the middle of India. This is for your map question as well as the fill in the blanks. And this is the longitude which is used to show the standard time of India, IST, 82.5 degree east. IST is passing through Allahabad. Okay, this is for fill in the blanks or map question. Now India is a peninsular, water bodies are there on three sides. To the west we have Arabian Sea, to the east we have Bay of Bengal, and to the south we have Indian Ocean. So these three water bodies are there. Now whenever we are studying about any country, we should know the neighboring countries also. Okay, three neighboring countries are located in the southern parts. They are sharing the water boundaries. So the first one is Indonesia. Okay, Indonesia is in the southeast part of India. Then the second one is Sri Lanka. So these two countries are located in the southeast of India. And the third one is Maldives. Maldives is located in the southwest of India. Okay. Then come to the land boundaries. So here we have northwest, that is Pakistan, and northwest another country, that is Afghanistan. As you know, Afghanistan shares the least boundary with India. Then we have China in the north, Nepal again in the north, Bhutan again in the north, then Bangladesh. Bangladesh shares the longest land boundary with India, and the last one is Myanmar. So these are all the neighboring countries of India. Now first you should know the name of the states, names and union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. First you should know the names. Then I will tell a small formula how to locate these states. Okay. So the first one is Tamil Nadu, second one is Kerala, third one is Karnataka, fourth one is Telangana, fifth one is Andhra Pradesh, then Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Goa. These 9 states are the South Indian states geographically. River Narmada separates these states from North India. Geographically these 9 states are there. Then Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, उत्तराखंड, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड and Sikkim. So these states are, all these states are in the mainland of India. बाकी जो 7 states है वो इंडिया से थोड़ा दूर में है. They have the common customs, cultures and traditions. उन लोग एक nickname है 7 sisters. Okay, so अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, नागालैंड, मेघालय, Manipur, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay. Now India's right leg, what I am teaching, as I told, it is from your direction. India's right leg Tamil Nadu, left leg Kerala, K upon K Karnataka, side of Karnataka tell Andhra, above Karnataka Maharashtra, side of Maharashtra Chhattis Oris, side of Maharashtra Chhattis Oris, between Maharashtra and Karnataka Goa. So 9 South Indian states over. You can keep your book page number 10 and by telling this formula you can point the states. So 4-5 बार ऐसा practice ले लो, आपको by heart हो जाएगा. Now हार्ट ऑफ द नेशन मध्य प्रदेश, इंडिया का दिल, हार्ट ऑफ द नेशन मध्य प्रदेश. माउथ शेप गुजरात, ये माउथ शेप में है, देखिए अपर लिप, लोअर लिप, मुंह खुला है ऐसा दिखते. सो माउथ शेप गुजरात. ओनली वन डेजर्ट, इंडिया में एक ही जगह पे डेजर्ट है, राजस्थान. ओनली वन डेजर्ट, राजस्थान. हेड ऑफ द नेशन जम्मू कश्मीर. नाउ हार्ट ऑफ द नेशन Madhya Pradesh, mouth shape Gujarat, only one desert Rajasthan, head of the nation Jammu Kashmir. Okay, now 3 letters you have to tell simultaneously. H, P, H. H Himachal Pradesh, then Punjab Haryana. हम लोग हमेशा पंजाब हरियाणा बोलते. So पंजाब हरियाणा. H हिमाचल, P H पंजाब हरियाणा, हिमाचल उत्तराखंड. पहले उसका नाम उत्तरांचल था, तभी हम लोग हिमाचल उत्तरांचल ऐसा बोलता था. नाउ इट इज उत्तराखंड. सो हिमाचल उत्तराखंड. नाउ 3 states are in the straight line. UPB Bengal, UPB West Bengal, UP उत्तर प्रदेश, बी बिहार, बंगाल वेस्ट बंगाल. सो वेस्ट बंगाल यहां तक है. ओके, हमेशा याद रखिए यहां तक है. यूपी बी बंगाल मतलब यूपी बी वेस्ट बंगाल मीन्स उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल. बिहार, बिलो बिहार, झारखंड. Okay, now this is a foreign country, Nepal. This is a foreign country, Bhutan. Between Nepal and Bhutan, Sikkim. So 22 states over. Shall we tell the formula again? Right leg Tamil Nadu, left leg Kerala, K upon K Karnataka, side of Karnataka tell Andhra means Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. Above Karnataka, Maharashtra. Side of Maharashtra, Chhattis Oris. छत्तीसगढ़, ओडिशा. लिखने के टाइम ओडिशा लिखने का. बिटवीन महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका, गोवा. 9 साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स. नाउ हार्ट ऑफ द नेशन मध्य प्रदेश, माउथ शेप गुजरात, ओनली वन डेजर्ट राजस्थान, हेड ऑफ द नेशन जम्मू कश्मीर. एच हिमाचल प्रदेश, पी एच पंजाब हरियाणा, हिमाचल उत्तराखंड, यूपी बी बंगाल, उत्तर प्रदेश, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल. Bihar, below Bihar, Jharkhand. Jharkhand is very important, you know, because Chota Nagpur plateau is there. For your map question or maybe fill in the blanks, you should know this. Okay, Jharkhand. Then between Nepal and Bhutan, Sikkim. So 22 states over. Now we are going to the seven sisters. The seven northeastern states are called seven sisters. एक बहन दो बहन नहीं, उधर 7 बहन लोग है. पहला बहन का नाम आपको मालूम है, अरुणा. फर्स्ट सिस्टर अरुणा मीन्स अरुणाचल प्रदेश. इधर हम लोग को के अपन के बोला, मतलब केरला, के अपन के कर्नाटका. सो हियर इट इज ए बिलो ए. This is Arunachal Pradesh A, below A Assam. First sister Aruna. A below A Assam. Opposite Assam Naga means Nagaland. Below Assam beautiful sister Meghalaya. Mega is a girl's name, right? Below Assam beautiful sister Mega means Meghalaya. मेगा के पास बहुत मनी है, पैसा. So Mega is the richest. Okay, Mega has much money. And the last 2 states, trademark Tripura, Mizoram. Trademark Tripura, Mizoram. Trademark Tripura, Mizoram. First sister Aruna, Arunachal Pradesh. A below A, Assam. Opposite Assam, Naga means Nagaland. Below Assam, beautiful sister Mega. Mega has much money. Trademark Tripura, Mizoram. These are all the 29 states of India. आप पेज नंबर 10 में जो मैप है, वो मैप आपके सामने रखे, ये फार्मूला वापस बोलकर एक एक पॉइंट आउट करेगा तो आपको पूरा बाय हार्ट हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ what's left? Union territory. You know the difference between states and union territories. States are bigger in size and union territories are smaller in size. States are ruled by the state government while union territories are ruled by the central government. So 7 union territories are there. So let us see now. So now the 7 union territories, 2 union territories are island union territories. So one is the Bay of Bengal Island, that is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So they are here. Okay. Another is the Arabian Sea Islands. They are Lakshadweep Islands. So they are here. Okay. And third one is in Tamil Nadu. Okay. One of the union territories is there in Tamil Nadu, that is Puducherry. Okay. उसका पुराना नाम है पांडिचेरी, अभी नया नाम पुदुचेरी. ये जो 3 यूनियन territories are there, they are in the straight line. That is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then Lakshadweep Islands and Puducherry Union Territory. Now, another union territory, it is there on the border of Gujarat and Maharashtra. गुजरात और महाराष्ट्र का बॉर्डर में है दादरा नगर हवेली. There is no, it is not a coastal region. There is no sea nearby. Okay, on the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat, that is Dadra Nagar Haveli. Now next one is Diu Daman. Diu is a coastal region and Daman is also a coastal region. Diu is here and Daman is here. Okay, this is the 5th union territory. Now next one is, you know the common capital of Punjab and Haryana, that is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab, Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana, and Chandigarh is the capital of Chandigarh Union Territory also. So it is on the border of Punjab and Haryana, that is Chandigarh, on the border. Same way on the border of Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, okay, that is Delhi, India ka Rajdhani, and Delhi is a union territory also. Okay, so this is the way you have to memorize. Tell the formula again with the help of your textbook page number 10 and by heart it. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this video was so helpful for you to understand the location of states. Thank you so much.